Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area of a circle. In the past we had a number of lessons on finding the areas of rectangles, triangles and other plane shapes. In this video we will see how to find the area of a circle. Here is a circle with a radius of r, and we're asked to find the white area, that is the area inside that circle. That's what we mean by finding the area of a circle, the area inside the curved section. The famous formula that we use is area equals pi r squared, and we saw in a previous video that two values, 22/7 and 3.142, we can use either of those values as approximations to pi. Pi is a very famous number which has no exact rational value, but we can use either of those as an approximation. So let's look at the first example. Find the area of the circle. The circle has a radius of 3 centimeters, and we're asked to use pi as 3.142. So area equals pi r squared, which is pi times 3 squared, which is pi times 9 centimeters squared. So that's the area of the first circle. We're asked to find the area of this circle, where we can use pi as 22/7. The formula is pi r squared. This time we use 22/7 because that's what we were asked to use. R squared is 7 squared over 1. 7 into 7 goes once, and the 7 cancels with one of those 7s, because here we have 7 times 7. So we can cancel a 7 from here and a 7 from there, and that leaves us with 7. 7 times 22 is 154 square centimeters. That's the area of that circle. We can also find the area of composite shapes. So here we have half a circle, so the area there, bounded by that dotted line and that curve there, will be half of the area which is inside of the full circle, and that's just a rectangle. We're asked to use pi equals 3.142, so the area will be 4 centimeters times 10 centimeters, which is the area of the rectangle. This area here will be half pi r squared, because it's a semicircle. So r is 5, because if the diameter is 10, the radius is 5. So there's a half pi r squared. So the area of the rectangle is 40 square centimeters, and then half pi r squared, that's that section there. So we get 40 square centimeters, and we work that out using a calculator to get that number. So this answer here will be the area of the composite shape. Here we have another composite shape. So that part and that part are very similar to here, but we've added a triangle. We're asked to use pi as 22/7. So the area will be, that's the area of that composite shape, the area of the triangle, which is half times base times height, because that's 7 and the base is 10, so that's the area of the triangle. The area of the rectangle will be 9 centimeters times 14 centimeters, that's there. And the area of this section here will be half pi r squared. The radius is 7, because if that's 14, the radius is 7. So that section there works out as 35 square centimeters. This is 126 square centimeters, which is the area of the rectangle. And here, half pi r squared. We have 2 into 2 goes once, and 2 into 22 goes 11. So that's 11 up there. One of those 7s cancels from here to there, so we're left with a 7. 7 11s are 77. So when we add those three numbers up, we get 238 square centimeters as the area of that composite shape. So this video has given us an introduction on how to find the area of a circle by using the famous formula area equals pi r squared. We've seen that pi can have a value of 3.142 or 22/7, which are just approximate values. And we've also seen how to find the area of some very basic composite shapes.